Welcome back all. Today we're going to go ahead and begin a new chapter. Now here we will talk about structures in C++ as a way of user-defined types. So structures are logical entities that in essence combine a number of variables of different types. Here we will talk about structures the way they are in C, putting aside that structures and classes are pretty much synonymous in C++. So we will focus on structures and their possibilities as they are in C. Because in C++ it's pretty much the same as classes, which we will do anyway, but it is important that you understand what structures are in C and how they are in C++. So we will learn about classes, and they're pretty much the same as structures in C++ later on along the merry way. So let me just bring up my virtual machine. I'll expand it across the screen. And I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. I'll make a new project, but here I just wanted to give a bit of a short intro, so to say. Anyway, let's just take a look at the general syntax. So we need to define a structure with a keyword, and in order to do that, we use a keyword struct. So like you would use, I don't know, int tralala, you would basically type in struct, I don't know, some structure, okay? And then you would open and close the curly brackets. So general syntax of this would be very similar to what we have written here. You would just have basically push this down, and then you would put whatever you would want here. For example, attributes. Well, not whatever you want, but you would place some sort of a list of attributes here. And of course, you do need the semicolon at the end. Keep that in mind. So this is just the basic general syntax of structures. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at an example in the follow-up tutorial.